Okay, hello everyone. Rodney here, and you're welcome to another episode of The Creative Habit. I'm joined here by Jennifer, my cousin. She just came into town. Say hello, Jennifer.
Hello.
Yeah, so she goes to a uni in Oka, right?
Yeah, Nnamdi Azikiwe University.
Yeah, just speak a bit louder.
Nnamdi Azikiwe University, okay.
Yeah. So she came by to stay a while here in Abuja on holiday, and we're just catching up on her experiences, and this is gonna blow your mind. I mean, because but let's begin. Let's begin. This is a very special episode with my cousin Jennifer. So, what's going on in Oka right now? Like, it's raining a lot here in Abuja, and it's crazy. What's it like over there?
It's crazier even. The rain in Oka right now is raining every day, everywhere. It's drizzling now. I'm talking about full blown rain, heavy rain, round the clock, and the weather is cold. The roads are bad. It's flooded. People are walking. They banned Okada even, and it's complicated lives, to be honest.
How long ago did they ban Okadas?
I think it's been a month, little over a month since they banned Okada in Oka.
Oh damn. Okay, so what's that like now that they banned Okada?
Shit, it has made life hard in more ways than one, because the roads are bad.
Right.
Okay, the roads are bad. All these when you enter into streets, it's terrible. Most buses do not ply those roads, so everybody is walking basically.
So people are walking for kilometers trying to get to one place.
People are walking from their... Okay, my school right now, my school is in Ifite. That's where most students are.
Yeah.
So me personally, I walk from my lodge I walk for at least 10 minutes to get to where I'll get a bus that'll take me down to school.
Yeah.
So a lot of people don't even bother taking buses anymore, because if you've walked for 10 minutes, you can walk for another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So you see a lot of people walking, and some people tell you it's even good for them. They are losing weight, it's exercise, but I don't feel that way. It's torture for me. I don't go out anymore.
You don't. You have to stay in, right? You only go out if you absolutely have to.
Only when it's absolutely necessary. Even, I hate to say, but even some lectures I may skip because of...
Oh yeah, jeez.
So, yeah. So
are you guys protesting or doing anything about that?
We protested. We did. We had a... Well, who's listening to us? Because we've actually protested this even on our radio, our Music FM. We talked about it. Everybody was sharing their dismay about it, and on social media, on our Facebook pages, everybody's talking about it, but nobody's paying attention. Our government has banned it. They've banned it. Nothing can be done about it at this point. So that's just and it was just such a bad timing, because there's flood almost everywhere.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, because of this rain. And vehicles, even the flood is carrying vehicles. There are some people have died.
People have died.
Like, it's not even a joke.
The floods are that bad that...
It's that bad. I think the most recent ones are some bankers. They were going home after work, and it was raining.
Yeah.
So they were in their car, and then I don't know what happened, but one way or another, they ended up in a river. And I think like 2 persons drowned. The others survived. So it's just terrible. So you are walking, but then you're careful not to be carried by flood. You carry your shoes in your bags, and you wear your slippers, and you're trekking to where you're trekking to. So
So this is everyone, like young and old.
This is people that don't have cars.
Yeah, that means even old people, even people that, even a child or something, people are walking.
Unless you can afford to charter a keke to where you're going. Yeah, it was expensive.
So like cars have become such a luxury right now. And
it has become a luxury, and guys know this. It has become, it's crazy what's going on right now, because Nigerian guys they like to take advantage of situations.
Yeah.
So right now, okay, I think I may even... I don't even go out if you're not driving.
Yeah.
Because I'm not about to trek to meet you wherever.
Yeah.
So a lot of people right now, the guys, even some people will just park their cars and they'll see you, and they won't even wind down to, like, excuse me. They'll just flash their lights at you to beckon on you to come.
Oh yeah.
That happened to me up to 3 times.
They just flash their lights at you, and
broad daylight. It's not even nighttime, but they just flash their light to get your attention. And you're like, what's that? Like,
yeah. And girls go.
Girls go. A lot of girls go. I didn't go, but
yeah.
girls go, because it's it's desperate times right now in Ifite. Some people who just they don't even talk anymore. Some guys will just stand next to their cars and they just nod at you. So they get to smile and then they'll not call like, hi, my name is this. So it's crazy. Then you'll be walking. Some people would want to give you rides, and it's just a way to pick up girls right now because they understand that everybody is. You can't even form anymore that everybody knows everybody's trekking.
Yeah,
so it's wild.
So if you want a ride, you gotta just go get a ride.
Get a ride. You ask for your number, of course, and then so that's our reality right now.
How many numbers have you given out?
Oh God. I don't even think I can count at this point.
Yeah, right. You just have to give.
You just have to give because you need that ride. You're trekking.
Oh my gosh.
And sometimes you go to the supermarket to get some things, and the roads is not well planned because there are some places that you just can't get a keke or even a taxi to take you to where you're going to. You have to take up to 3 drops to go home. So when you consider all this and someone is offering you a ride, you're like, God, I don't come this world to suffer.
Yeah.
So you just have to, then you just engage in some boring conversation and give your number and just go. You may give a wrong number, but they want to call you immediately to. Me, I have up to 3 lines. I give the ones I use the list.
Yeah.
If I don't like the person.
But you have to carry it around now more often. That's the thing.
Yeah. But if I like the guy, I give my main number.
Yeah. There's still some correct guys among them, right?
Of course,
Okay.
I've met some nice people.
Yeah. To go both ways.
That's life.
Oh, wow. So I'm out here and, I'm just really surprised at this because I never knew this. Like, it just surprised me sometimes how far away things can be. Like just now you just said that there are more northern Okada riders than actually Igbo Okada riders in Oka.
Okada riders in Oka are northerners. Hardly.
That is wild.
It's actually rare to find an Igbo Okada driver at this point. They are rare to find an Igbo Suyaman in Oka. Most of them are northerners. Although some of them speak Igbo, but they're northerners.
Okay, some northerners there that speak Igbo.
Yeah, those Okada, they have to because most people speak. It's an Igbo state now.
Yeah.
They ask the Ego ne, where they go, everyone can change all this small Igbo.
They learn it. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? I am so intrigued by this.
Yeah.
People are walking in the floods.
People are walking.
Like crowds of people, because there's no Okada, just crowds of people.
Yeah, and then the keke or the taxi that will take you is expensive to charter. And how many, those are because I stay in a student area. Even if you can afford it, you don't even want to do it. Because you feel like
it's too much.
It's just too much. How am I going to pay up to 600 naira to just there? So you just have to walk it. And most of the time we walk in groups, so sometimes you don't even feel it. But you're still walking under the sun or under the rain.
Or under the rain. Wait, so it's possible that your walking is dry and then the rain now catches you there?
Of course, it happens.
Oh my God.
It happens. You even go around with umbrellas because anything can happen.
But wait, the way you're saying about the way you're talking about the rain, right? It seems that even if you take an umbrella, sometimes the rain can be just so heavy.
Yeah, because it comes with winds.
It comes with winds.
Yeah. So you have to find a place to maybe hide for a while and then continue when it's like it has subsided. The exam period was like it was wonderful during exams because you'd have an 8 a.m. paper. It's been raining since last night and it's still raining till the morning. So you have to enter the rain with your umbrella because nobody's going to take any excuse from you that people come from far, people that come from other towns even for these exams. So it's the Okada ban is bad. It's bad. It's paining me. I mean, I'm just counting down till I'm done. Or till I buy a car. Yeah. Oka right now is for the rich. If you have a car.
Oka is for the rich.
You have a car. You're balling.
Sure, you're balling. God forbid.
Or even just recently, the petroleum marketers in Anambra went on strike over. They have misunderstanding with the government. There was a time the government put down some marketers' filling stations in Onitsha, and they were never reimbursed or anything. So they went on strike. So even at that, this was last 2 weeks, the position just skyrocketed. Even the buses that we don't even want was now paying up to like 100% more.
Shit.
So, but that time was also really bad.
and there was probably like all these fuel queues
Yes.
for lengths of time,
Mhm.
and it made traffic so bad.
Then that was when these, all these black market people now, is when they made a lot of money during that time.
Mm.
I think they even usually get the information there's going to be a strike next week. Because I don't know how they get their own fuel if everybody's not selling. How do the black market people, do they manufacture fuel? So it would make you want to consider a business in black markets.
Really, she? That's how lucrative it is right now.
Yeah, but everything's okay now. They've ended their strike, so
Okay.
everything is back to normal.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah.
That means you're gonna enjoy Abuja now.
Oh God,
Yeah, you're going
I've
to
come
enjoy.
to enjoy my life. If I go
Yeah.
back and continue, I stopped.
That's you need it. You need
I
it.
deserve
You
it.
need it.
Mm.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? I can't imagine that kind of shit. Oh my god.
You can't imagine, like, if you have a paper by 2 p.m. you have to leave your house whether it's raining or not, and you don't have a car, so
You have to leave by 7 a.m.
or even before 7.
Before 7.
Yes, because you women might get more serious. You have to stop somewhere and let it subside a bit. Yeah, for you.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh, and the worst part. The main thing for me is just how the feeling it gives me of how, I can't even imagine it.
Yeah, you
like,
are enjoying here.
Yeah, I can't even imagine that kind of situation, man. That's why you see that village, man. When you come in Christmas, you see it sometimes like that, and you never imagine like that's even the good time.
It's the good.
That's the good time.
Times, yeah.
That it gets worse. Oh shit! And this is how it's been every year, or is this just like a really bad year?
I think this is a really bad year. Although there's been worse years where like some communities had to evacuate their community because of this rain. Yeah, I think it was 2015 or so. It was really bad in Anambra when River Niger overflooded some parts of Anambra State. Did you hear about
River
it?
Niger? I didn't hear about that.
Oh, there are some parts of Anambra, Agulevi side. Communities had to leave, the IDPs, Anambra, because of.
Are you kidding?
So rainy season is usually a crucial time in the east. In the east, because when we were living in Abia State, it was also a problem when it comes to rainy season. So even now I went and people complain about all this rain. My taxi guy was like, "This rain is too much." I'm like, "You never see anything. This is nothing."
Oh man.
This is not. At least you can even see the sun. There are times when it's to be 2 p.m. and it's dark.
Dark.
Yeah, dark clouds everywhere. So.
Oh man. Oh man.
Let me try to imagine it.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. So, what about the farms? The farms suffer it as well. Farms get destroyed. All these things.
I don't really know what's going on in the farms. I can't really say.
But the rain is that bad now. You can imagine that it might be.
It could
but
be.
you just not heard anything.
I don't know a lot of farmers personally, so I don't
mm.
know exactly what they're going through. But I can imagine it's bad. It's bad.
Oh jeez. What are you studying right now?
Mass communication.
Mass communication. Oh yes. Oh yeah. By the way, she's an award-winning journalist. Yes, like, yeah, it's in the genes. She's in the genes.
We try.
Yeah. Anyway, my gosh, it's been great talking about this. Thanks for sharing this
Thanks for having me.
slice of life in Oka.
Yeah, it's good to talk about it.
Yeah, it's good. And we don't know. I'm on Twitter like every day. I see all kinds of things about all kinds of things, and it's just never crossed my radar that this other world, like we hear about the North, we hear about Boko Haram, we hear about, all the things that go on here, but still, like.
But then the funny thing is that now I'm talking about it, it's seeming bad. But when I was there, I think I got used to it. It wasn't even a big deal anymore.
Yeah.
For those of us, people are still there. Like, it's not even a big deal. It's just life.
You just got used to it.
It's just now I'm talking about. I'm realizing we're actually having a tough time.
Yeah.
But it's bad. It's not the way life should be.
Wow. Yeah, it's not, man. That's the thing. They keep talking about this, the Nigerian resilient spirit. You get, I don't know.
And yet every evening people are having fun. You're walking past all these restaurants and beer parlors, and it's filled up every evening.
It's filled up. Yeah.
Yeah, even Monday evenings is filled up. So people are suffering, but they also don't have to have a good time.
Yeah. Are you? Oh man, that's great. That's like I'm just trying to wrap my head around that.
They also don't know how to have a good time.
Like because now that's what it is now. You've suffered all day. Just go and enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Just go and do
Students,
the business.
workers, traders.
But then now the thing is that you only have to go to the ones
Close
in your
by.
area.
Exactly.
You get
Unless
so
you have a friend who's driving.
yeah, exactly,
Or you're driving
exactly.
yourself.
You're
Yeah.
driving yourself. Oh wow, that is just that's Australia to me right now. You know how Australia is supposed to be like upside down,
Yes.
right beneath us. That's how it is to me. Right? Okay, if they do know, you said right.
No, if it take.
Just if it.
The
Oh,
students
man.
area.
I'm gonna read up on that. See if there's anything out there like on the news.
I should probably write on it.
See.
Yeah, I should actually write on it.
That would make a
Never
great
crossed my mind.
piece. That would make a great
Yeah.
piece.
Life in Ifite.
Oh damn, that makes sense. All right then. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right.